Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗃𝗏. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, I am going to quickly give you 5 tips and 5 things you need to cover before you take your PTE test. Very first thing, before you go for the exam, you should understand the marking criteria in detail. You should know what tasks you need to focus on and what are the things you need to avoid. I'll quickly give you an overview. For your speaking, you need to work more on your read aloud and repeat sentence. For your writing, memorize the essay template and memorize the template for summarized written text as well. For reading, you don't really need to worry about MCQ single and multiple answers. You need to focus more on reading blanks, reading and writing blanks, and a bit on reorders as well. For your listening, you need to focus on summarized spoken text, listening, fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words and write from dictation. For MCQ single, MCQ multiple, highlight correct summary and select missing words. You don't really need to focus too much over here. So you should have a complete understanding of the marking criteria so that you can focus on things which are important and avoid things which are not important. Number 2, you need to make sure you plan your time management. If you do not manage your time, especially in reading and listening, you can lose a few points. You can miss a few important tasks and that can substantially impact your scores. You need to make sure you have a clear mind map that how much time you have to spend on each question. Let me give you an overview. For speaking, you will not need to worry about time management because there's enough time, and as soon as you finish, you need to move on to the next question. So they'll give you enough time. For writing, you have summarized written text. You have to use complete 10 minutes. You're given 10 minutes. You have to use complete 10 minutes. First 1 to 2 minutes, read the passage. Next 5 to 6 minutes, write your answer. And then at the last, please, I request you 1 to 2 minutes. You need to make sure you proofread everything. Same thing for essay. You're given 20 minutes per essay. You need to make sure you spend around 1 minute reading the essay topic, 15 minutes writing your answer or typing your answer, and then 3 to 4 minutes to proofread everything. If you proofread properly, if you read each and everything you have written properly, you will be able to figure out all your mistakes and your score is going to go up. So 20 minutes complete in essay and 10 minutes for summarized written text. For your reading, you do not have to spend more than 30 seconds on MCQ single questions and MCQ multiple answers. You have to only take at max 30 seconds per question. For reading blanks, reading, writing blanks and reorders, you need to take at max 2 minutes. Do not take more than 2 minutes, otherwise you're going to struggle to finish off your reading module and that can impact your score. For your listening module, you need to spend 10 complete minutes on summarized spoken text, 1 minute you'll take to take notes and all, 5 to 6 minutes to type your answer, and then 2 to 3 minutes to revise everything. Then after that, you have to be very careful, very cautious about time management. For MCQ single, MCQ multiple, select missing words and highlight correct summary. Once the audio stops, please listen carefully. Once the audio stops in these 4 type of tasks, you do not have to spend more than 10 seconds after the audio. For your listening blanks after the audio, around 30 to 40 seconds to type your answer and revise your spellings. Then for your highlight incorrect words after the audio, only 5 seconds. You don't have anything much to do. And for write from dictation, per write from dictation, give yourself around 40 to 50 seconds because that is the most important question, and you need to make sure you type each and everything and revise each and everything carefully. So that's your time management. You need to be very careful with your time management when it comes to your test. Third thing, you need to make sure you revise your spelling list. Before you go for the test, you need to make sure, guys, if you have a few spelling errors in your essay, right, that won't really impact that much or too much in your writing module. But if you have spelling errors in your listening module, that is your summarize spoken text, your listening, fill in the blanks or write from dictation, you are going to be penalized heavily. You are going to lose a few points. You need to make sure there are no spelling errors in summarize spoken text, in listening, fill in the blanks and write from dictation. To improve this, what you can do is go through all the practice and all the mock tests you have taken, especially listening part, and write down all the spelling mistakes you made. Even if it was a silly or typing error, please make a list of it. Plus, before you go for the test, revise write from dictation predictions, which we post on YouTube or available on our website 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗃𝗏.com.au. When I say revise write from dictation, you don't just need to listen to the audio. What you need to do is you need to write down all the difficult words, because in write from dictation, it's never the case that you're not able to understand what the speaker has said, but you will not be able to write correct spellings, and that part is going to impact your score. So for summarized spoken text predictions, listening blanks predictions, or listening blanks, you can do exam questions. There are 41 exam questions on our website, and then write from dictation prediction. These 3 modules, you need to revise all the spellings plus all the spelling mistakes you have got in your listening mock test and full mock test as well. If you do so, 100% your score is going to go up. Number 4, a lot of students do struggle in the reading module. For that, what I'll recommend, see, practice as much as you can. For reading, you shouldn't be relying on the predictions, but a day or 2 days before you test, it's better to cover the predictions, because there are few chances, there are a fair bit chance that you get something from there. So before a day or 2 days before you test, what you need to do is you need to revise reorder predictions and reading blanks predictions and reading and writing blanks prediction. But before that, try to practice as much as you can. Don't just rely on predictions, but a day or 2 days before, just cover the predictions so that you practice as well, and in case you get something similar, you are able to solve it. And last but not the least, make sure you revise all your templates. You need to revise your essay template, you need to revise your summarized spoken text template, your summarized written text template as well. There shouldn't be even a single mistake in the templates. If you do so, you are going to get your score. So you need to make sure you understand the marking criteria, you manage your time, revise your spellings, revise your reading part, and then revise your templates, and you are going to nail it. That's it from this video. Be confident. If I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, thousands of students are getting 90 every month, you can get it as well. You just need to make sure you focus, you work hard in the right direction under right guidance. If you need any help, any advice, visit our website, give us a call, send us a message on these numbers, and we'll make sure we help you get your desired score in the very first go. If you think the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. I'm going a bit fast, but I want to cover as much as I can in the least amount of time. So if you think the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your friends as well. And do let me know in the comment section what other topics you want me to cover. And if you ever get your score watching my videos, our videos, please do let me know. That is something I work for. I'll keep on working for that, to make sure you don't waste your time and money, get your desired score in the very first go. But please do let me know. That is something which will motivate me and will keep me going. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and keep on practicing.